Have you ever sat in on a Friday afternoon meeting and you cannot remember anything discussed because you cannot wait to start the weekend? Or perhaps you are the presenter on the Friday afternoon and you know you're going to struggle to hold your audience's attention. Well, in this video, I'm going to share a presentation secret by Andy Stanley. He's a leadership author, speaker, and pastor at North Point Community Church. Before I start, if you are going to subscribe to one channel this week, please consider subscribing to this channel. Now, if you need help to clarify your message so you can make more sales, go on to flyingkite.co.za and book your complimentary consultation today. When Andy was doing his postgrad, he got a chance to address a group of high school students, but it was on a Friday afternoon and they were eager to go home and they're not exactly excited to listen to another sermon. So he decided to outline his content around the idea of what are they going to remember. He ended up sharing a sermon around an army commander called Naaman that suffered from leprosy. And the summary was around understanding why, submit, and apply. Meaning understanding why things are happening to you, you submit to God's teaching, and apply it into your life. Understanding why, submit, and apply. 3 years later, he was preaching at a college, and a student walked past him and said, "Hey, I know you. You are the guy that said understanding why, submit, and apply." And the student walks off. And he said at that moment he realized portable is memorable. If you simplify a message, use short sentences and repeat them, your message will stand a better chance of being remembered and perhaps affect somebody else's life. Now, people often say they want to follow someone that has character, but actually they want to follow somebody with clarity. We know people are bombarded with messages every day and they're easily distracted. You know, they are in a hurry and they are busy. So at your next presentation or meeting, imagine this might be the first time or the last time they'll hear from you, and you have one chance to impact them. So ask yourself this question: what do I want them to remember and how can I affect them? Thank you for watching. Again, if you need help to clarify your message so you can make more sales, go on to flyingkite.co.za and book your complimentary consultation today. Till next week. Ciao.